What is your answer? If you click a like reaction, you're correct. It is equal. Did you get the correct answer? Good job. Number 2. Is 63 and 8 tenths plus 3 and 45 hundredths equal to 66 and 25 hundredths? What's your reaction? Correct. It's a sad reaction. It is not equal because the correct answer is 67 and 25 hundredths. Number 3 is 75 and 8 hundredths plus 24 and 2 tenths equal to 99 and 28 hundredths. It is like reaction. How about number 4? Is 64 and 7 hundredths minus 18 and 29 hundredths equal to 82 and 36 hundredths? Give your reaction. The answer is sad reaction. It is not equal. The difference is 45 and 78 hundredths. And for the last number, 5 is 92 and 63 hundredths minus 35 and 17 hundredths equal to 57 and 46 hundredths. What is your answer? Yes, the answer is a like reaction. It is equal. Congratulations to those who got the perfect score. You are all amazing. In your previous lessons, you have learned how to add, subtract, and multiply decimals, as well as how to solve word problems involving addition, subtraction, and multiplication of decimals. You will apply all the skills that you have learned in this lesson. Our topic is solving multi-step problems involving multiplication, addition, subtraction of decimals. What is a multi-step word problem? A multi-step word problem is a mathematical problem with more than one operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And you must solve it in the correct order of operations. In this lesson, we will focus on addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Now, let's have our first problem. Read and analyze. Mang Ramon, a fruit vendor at Disciplina Village Market, bought 4 watermelons, weighing 3 and 42 hundredths kilograms, 3 and 2 tenths kilograms, 2 and 7 tenths kilograms, and 3 and 85 hundredths kilograms to be sold in his stall. If each kilogram of watermelon cost 40 pesos, how much did he pay in all? Did you understand the problem? Let us analyze and try to solve it. In this problem, we will use Polya's 4-step method. These are the steps to follow. First, understand the problem. It is essential to focus, analyze, and check how you understand the problem. You must know what is being asked. It is usually at the end of the problem, with a question mark. Can you identify what is being asked in this problem? Yes, very good. It is the total amount he paid for 4 watermelons. We also need to know the given facts or the given numbers. Let's identify the given numbers indicated in this problem. What are they? They are 3 and 4200 kilograms, 3 and 2/10 kilograms, 2 and 7/10 kilograms, and 3 and 8500 kilograms. Those are the weight of 4 watermelons respectively. Is there any other given number? Yes, it's 40 pesos cost of watermelon per kilogram. Do you think we can solve the problem at once? No. First, we need to identify the hidden question. What is a hidden question? It is a question which is not directly stated or not easily recognized in the problem, but need to answer first. Before you will get the final answer, so what is the hidden question in this problem? The hidden question is the total weight of 4 watermelons he bought. You already know how to identify the hidden question. This will make your computation easy. Let's have the second step, which is a device plan. Determine the operations to be used. There are some word clues that lead us to identify the appropriate operations, like in this problem. In order to find the weight of 4 watermelons, we need to add the given numbers. Therefore, we will use addition. The words each and in all are word clues for multiplication. After determining the operations to be used, we will write the given number into a number sentence, where let n be the unknown number or the total amount he paid. Any capital letter can be used to represent the unknown number. It may be a letter X, a letter Y, and so on. In this problem, the number sentence is 3 and 4200 plus 3 and 2/10 plus 2 and 7/10 plus 3 and 8500 times 40 equals n. Third step, solve. You are going to carry out the plan. Use the appropriate strategies and operations. You must solve it in the correct order of operations. Start performing the operation inside the parenthesis, which is addition. Add numbers 3 and 4200 plus 3 and 2/10 plus 2 and 7/10 plus 3 and 8500. First, align the decimal point and the digits according to their place value. Next, use 0 as a placeholder if necessary, since the value of a decimal number does not change placing 0. Then add as full numbers. Start from the rightmost digit of the numbers. Let's start. 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 equals 7. 4 plus 2 plus 7 plus 8 equals 21. Since 21 is greater than 10, we need to regroup 2 to the next digit, which is 3. Then add 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 equals 13. Lastly, place the decimal point of the addends. The total weights of 4 watermelons is 13 and 17 hundredths kilograms. It answers the hidden question. Then, multiply the total weight of 4 watermelons by the amount per kilogram, which is 13 and 17 hundredths times 40 pesos. In multiplying decimal numbers, we should write the decimals in columns, but not necessarily by its place value. Next, multiply the decimals as whole numbers. Start multiplying the ones digit in the multiplier to all the digits in the multiplicand. 0 times 7 equals 0. 0 times 1 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 times 1 equals 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Then multiply the tens digit in the multiplier to all the digits in the multiplicand. So, 4 times 7 equals 28. Regroup 2. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 4 times 3 equals 12. Regroup 1 to the next digit. 4 times 1 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. Then, affix 0 as placeholder. Then, add a partial product. Bring down 0. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 0 plus 2 equals 2. Bring down 5. Affix a decimal point and peso sign. Therefore, the total amount he paid for 4 watermelons is 526 pesos and 80 centavos. Step 4. Check and look back. 3 and 42 hundredths plus 3 and 2 tenths plus 2 and 8 tenths plus 3 and 85 hundredths times 40 is equal to n. So when you add them, it is equal to 13 and 17 hundredths times 40 is equal to 526 pesos and 80 centavos. This time, you will go back to the problem and find out if you use all the information and your answer makes sense or reasonable. You may also use a calculator to check if your computation is correct. Now, let's try to solve the same problem by making a table, since some problems can be solved easily when the information is organized in a table or a chart. This time, we are going to draw a table with 4 columns and 6 rows. Write watermelon in the first column. Next column is the weight of each watermelon. Then the third is the amount per kilogram. And in the last column, write the total amount. The weight of 4 watermelons are 3 and 42 hundredths kilograms, 3 and 2 tenths kilograms, 2 and 7 tenths kilograms, and 3 and 85 hundredths kilograms. To find the amount of each watermelon, we multiply the weight of watermelon and the amount. 3 and 42 hundredths times 40 pesos is equal to 136 pesos and 80 centavos. Then 3 and 2 tenths times 40 pesos is equal to 128 pesos. 2 and 7 tenths times 40 pesos is equal to 108 pesos. And 3 and 85 hundredths times 40 pesos is equal to 154 pesos. Then, add the amount of each watermelon. So, we add 136 pesos and 80 centavos plus 128 pesos plus 108 pesos plus 154 pesos is equal to 526 pesos and 80 centavos. This is the total amount he paid, which is 526 pesos and 80 centavos. Did we get the same answer as we use the Polias 4-step method and make a table? Yes, we got the same answer. This time, you're going to read, analyze, and solve another problem for exploration. Paul wants to buy a new t-shirt that costs 128 pesos and 90 centavos. He has already 35 pesos and 25 centavos in his wallet. His mother gave twice of his money. How much does he need to buy a new t-shirt? Let's analyze the problem. What is being asked? The amount of money he needs to buy a t-shirt. What are the given facts? The 128 pesos and 90 centavos cost of the t-shirt, 35 pesos and 25 centavos amount of money on his wallet, and twice of his money. What is the hidden question? The total amount of money he had already. Now, for better understanding, we can use strips or blocks to illustrate the given information. In this illustration or representation, it shows that the whole block represents the cost of a t-shirt, which is 128 pesos and 90 centavos. The block is divided into three parts. The first part represents the amount of money in his wallet, which is 35 pesos and 25 centavos. The second part is the amount of money his mother gave to him, which is twice of his money. It is 2 times 35 pesos and 25 centavos, equal to 70 pesos and 50 centavos. Therefore, her mother gave him 70 pesos and 50 centavos. The third part is the unknown. How will you find the value of this part? In finding the value of the missing part, write the given facts into number sentence. 128 pesos and 90 centavos minus 35 pesos and 25 centavos plus 2 times 35 pesos and 25 centavos equals n. Multiply the number inside the parentheses. 2 times 35 pesos and 25 centavos is equal to 70 pesos and 50 centavos. Then, add the amount of money in his wallet and from his mother, which is 35 pesos and 25 centavos plus 70 pesos and 50 centavos is equal to 105 pesos and 75 centavos. This will be the total amount he had already. Then, subtract it from the cost of a t-shirt. Now, let's subtract 128 pesos and 90 centavos minus 105 pesos and 75 centavos. Write the decimal numbers in columns and align the decimal point. 0 minus 5 cannot be, so regroup 10 from 9, since the value of the digit at the left is always 10 times greater than the value of the next digit at the right. 0 becomes 10 and 9 becomes 8. 10 minus 5 equals 5, 8 minus 7 equals 1, 8 minus 5 equals 3, 2 minus 0 equals 2, 1 minus 1 equals 0. We simply drop 0 at the leftmost number. Since there are whole numbers, the difference is 23 and 15 hundredths. Therefore, the amount he needs is 23 pesos and 15 centavos. To deepen your understanding on solving multi-step problem, let's try these word problems. Read, analyze, and complete the table by providing the needed information as indicated below. Question asked, given information, operation needed, number sentence, solution, complete answer. Here is the problem. Lily has 50 25 centavo coins. She bought a cup of pineapple juice for 10 pesos. How much does she have left? The question asked is the amount she has left. How about the given information? There are 50 25 centavo coins and 10 pesos. The operations needed to solve the problem are multiplication and subtraction. The number sentence will be 50 times 25 centavos minus 10 pesos equals n. For the solution, 50 times 25 centavos is equal to 12 pesos and 50 centavos minus 10 pesos is equal to 2 pesos and 50 centavos. Therefore, the complete answer is Lily has 2 pesos and 50 centavos left. Now, let's go with problem number 2. Lance sold 50 pieces of candies at 1 peso and 50 centavos each and 25 pieces of bond paper at 1 peso and 25 centavos each. How much is his total sale? In this problem, we ask to find the amount of his total sale. The given information is 50 pieces of candies at 1 peso and 50 centavos each, 25 pieces of bond paper at 1 peso and 25 centavos each, and the operations needed are multiplication and addition. The number sentence is 50 times 1 peso and 50 centavos plus 25 times 1 peso and 25 centavos equals n. For the solution, find the product 50 times 1 peso and 50 centavos is equal to 75 pesos plus the 25 times 1 peso and 25 centavos is equal to 31 pesos and 25 centavos. 75 pesos plus 31 pesos and 25 centavos is equal to 106 pesos and 25 centavos. Lance's total sale is 106 pesos and 25 centavos. It's your turn, learners. You may answer our activity. Read the question, then answer the questions that follows. Mark jogs around their village every other day to make him physically fit and to strengthen his body. On the first day, he jogs 2 and 1500 kilometers. On the second day, he jogs twice the distance he jogged on the first day, and he jogs 3 and 5/10 kilometers on the third day. Find the total distance he jogged in 3 days. Just click the letter of your answer in the comment box below. For number 1, what is being asked? I will give you 10 seconds to answer the questions. Your timer starts now. Yes, the correct answer is letter C. Good job, learners! Next, what are the given facts? Type in your answer. If your answer is letter A, you are correct. Very good. Now let's have number 3. What are the operations needed to solve the problem? Please type in your answer. What is your answer? Great! It's letter C. Number 4. What is the number sentence? Is it letter A, B, or C? Just type in your answer. The correct answer is letter A. Number 5, what is the complete answer? Solve yourself. I'll give you 60 seconds to solve the given problem. Did you get the same answer? Great! How did you get your answer? I'll show you the solution. Multiply first the number inside the parentheses. 2 times 2 and 15 hundredths is equal to 4 and 30 hundredths. Then add 2 and 15 hundredths to plus 4 and 30 hundredths plus 3 and 5 tenths is equal to 9 and 95 hundredths kilometers. The distance he jogged for 3 days is 9 and 95 hundredths kilometers. For the last activity, just read and analyze the problem, then answer the questions below. Just simply type in your answer in the comment box below. Justin helps his mother in selling face masks and face shields. He sells 6 boxes of face masks for 65 pesos and 50 centavos per box and 24 face shields for 12 pesos and 50 centavos each. How much did he sell in all? What is asked? The total amount he sold. Number 2, what are the given facts? the lesson. How to solve multi-step word problems. To solve multi-step word problems, use Polya's 4-step strategy. 1. Understand. You must know what is asked. Identify the hidden question. Know the given facts. 2. Plan. Determine the operations to be used. Write the number sentence. 3. Solve. You must know how to carry out your plan. 4. Check and look back. We can also use other strategies like make a chart or table, use blocks, strips, or illustration. Draw a picture, work backward, guess and check, and others. Now, it's time for our questions and answers. If you have questions, just type it in the comment section. I will do my best to answer those questions. For our first question, how do you know that a problem is a multi-step problem? A problem is a multi-step when it involves more than one operation and you must solve it in the correct order of operations. Is there any other question? Okay. Next question. Why do we solve the hidden question first in a multi-step problem? We solve the hidden question first in a multi-step problem because it makes easier to understand. If there's no more questions, I want you to get your self-learning module and take note of your assignment. Answer assessment in your module on page 28. Your discussion teacher will be the one to check it. And with that, thank you so much, grade 6 learners, for participating in our discussion for today. Goodbye and God bless. Keep safe, everyone.